This is a demonstration of how NVDA and MathPlayer will read an inaccessible PowerPoint. An inaccessible PowerPoint regarding STEM content means that the content was created using the built-in equation editor instead of math type.
Welcome to NVDA dialog. Welcome to use automatically start and show OK button. Quadratic formula, inaccessible, PowerPoint. Slide 1, the quadratic formula, slide view.
So I just turned on NVDA and I'm in the PowerPoint. I do need to change essentially what mode I'm in NVDA so it knows what to look at, because in PowerPoint you could look at the slides, you could look at the content on the slides, the navigation up top. So let's go to the third slide and I'll change the mode.
Slide 2, slide 3, using the formula, slide view.
It will announce the name of the slide, but it's not going to read the content until I switch into the mode.
Slide 3, using the formula. Title placeholder shape using the formula. Text frame equals 1b equals 5c equals 6. Text frame replace A, B, and C in the formula and look what you have. Text frame back. Text frame equals plus or minus 242. Text frame equals 5 plus or minus 5, 2, 4, 1, 6, 2, 1.
Let's go ahead and close NVDA.
Exit NV, OK button.
So you notice that it absolutely did not read the math equations and expressions correctly. It also would skip out certain words or certain parts of the equation. It does acknowledge the numbers, but again, that's not helpful when you have a robust equation. You also notice that it read when I pressed tab, it moved around in a very interesting way. Instead of going top to bottom, left to right, it went down kind of to the middle, to the bottom, back up to the middle, and then the math equations at the end. This is because in the home ribbon under Arrange, under the selection pane, these objects are out of order. So you want the order to go first thing that you want the individual to interact with is at the bottom, and then the next item would be the next thing, the third thing, fourth, and so on. So in this case, this order is not correct, which is why the tab, when I pressed the tab key, it interacted in an interesting way. So this would make really no sense for somebody who is using adaptive technology because the structure is out of order, the math is not being read. There's other accessibility issues such as contrast and so on.